Hello, Amazing Barbecue. We put this brisket on last night at about 11 o'clock, and it is about 6:50 in the morning, along with its cat. Look at that goodness. We're going to take it off and check the temp, and also wrap it in butcher paper and put it back on. Here we are in the kitchen. Here is the brisket after about 8 hours of cooking at 225. What we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and lay out unwaxed butcher paper and wrap this back up in butcher paper. Put it back on the smoker until we get to about 195 degrees. And then what we want to do after that is we want to let it rest for a couple hours. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and get the butcher paper ready and wrap it. Again, using unwaxed butcher paper. And I'm using water to soften the paper to wrap the brisket with. What I'm doing is I'm actually wrapping the brisket both directions so the paper stays uniform on the smoker and holds all the moisture into the brisket. And like this, we will put it back on the smoker. Welcome back. Now what we're going to do is take care of this nice looking cap. We're actually going to turn this into uh, some nice burnt ends. So what we need to do is get a cutting board ready. The juice is coming off of this. And you can't beat some good burn ends. Look at the smoke coming off of this. juicy, and this flavor is going to carry through to these burnt ends. If you want to know what kind of gloves I'm using, I'm actually using mechanical style gloves. They're a thicker mill, so they actually block the heat pretty well. Go through a bunch of them here at Amazing's Barbecue. So we have boxes after boxes of these things. Now what I'm going to use for my seasoning, again, is I'm going to add some more SPG to this. And then add a little bit of orange juice into the bottom of the pan. There's my, what will be my burn ends. There is my fat rendering to be able to pour onto the burn ends. Along with some orange juice. Now it's time to get those both back on the smoker and enjoy.